Today is a perfect day for fashion and editorial photo shoot. Go! Downtown Kansas City. Hey, say hi, people. Hey there. Okay, we are here with Alex and
Jay.
Jay, only Jay. Alex boyfriend.
Yeah.
He's always helping me with the GoPro. So we're here on downtown making some fashion and editorial photo shoot for her. So I will show you the style and the workflow with these guys, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. This place sounds perfect for the photo shoot. But we can get there. This is the alley, maybe. Maybe we can. Let's try something here. See you later, people. Okay, that was all for this photo shoot. We finished in this location right here. I think that the result is going to be really great. I hope you like it. Well, I think it's a good time to do the intro for this video, and see you later, people.